Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. Have you ever opened multiple tabs in your browser and suddenly one of them starts playing sound but you don't know which one it is? It can be really annoying. So in this video, I will show you how to mute or unmute tabs in the Vivaldi browser. This works on Windows 11 and Windows 10 and it only takes a few seconds. So let's get started. First open Vivaldi browser, and when any tab will play audio, you will see here a speaker icon. Click on this one icon to mute that tab. Now video will play but sound will not come from there. To unmute, again click on this one sound tab. This will unmute. Other method is just right click on that tab and select here mute option, and in case you want to unmute it, again right click on that tab and select here uncheck this one mute option. Now sound will start coming from that tab. That's all about this video.